I'm Kelly White. My dog is Dani. Dani has a medial shoulder injury with some supraspinatus involvement as well that's been ongoing for now about a year and a half.
So she's got issues with 3 of the tendons that come around the front edge of the shoulder. So the biceps tendon, the supraspinatus tendon, and the infraspinatus tendon, with the biceps tendon being the most affected. So really active dogs are prone to these type of shoulder injuries where they get a chronic inflammatory process in those tendons. Dani is, as you probably have gotten the impression so far, incredibly active.
She's always been a very high energy dog. We did a lot of hikes, bike riding, kayaking. When I started taking her to Fort Collins Rehab, they right away said they wanted to put her on the Steadfast just to help with overall joint health and especially with the long-standing trauma to her shoulder.
Supplements and pain medications both are really critical to recovering from this type of injury. I tend to choose Steadfast for cases like this because I feel like it's one of the best supplements we have for ligament and tendon health, and then also osteoarthritis, and she's got both of those in her shoulder. It is a definite go-to supplement for cases like her.
Just within the last 2 to 3 weeks has she kind of turned that corner to where we're only going to rehab once a week now. She can be off leash for short amounts of time, be able to run around. We can go on bike rides again, short ones. We're weaning her off the pain meds while obviously keeping her on the Steadfast. So getting her off those pain meds I'm really excited about. As she's gotten better, she's obviously back to her normal self. She seems a lot spunkier. She's happy, wants to play again. So she's definitely back to normal, if not better than she was prior.